Do you know that 1 out of 10 Nigerians do not have voters card? Let me explain. We started PVC drive in churches. We go to these big churches. And these are churches that have first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth mass. And we decided to go to the second mass. The least contacts we get for this exercise, the least is 300. If we add it up with the other churches, like, it's crazy. 1 out of 10 Nigerians no get voters card. The reason why they don't have is what I don't know, what I don't understand. Let me explain. If you have a voters card and you're voting in Kaduna, but you're in Lagos State, you don't have voters card. Because on election day, you will not be able to use that card to vote. Which simply means you do not have a voters card. What is a voters card? A card used in voting. If you're using it as a means of identification, it can be used, but that is not the sole purpose and why we are shouting. We are shouting for you to collect your voters card, to use and vote, not to use as a means of identification. If you have a voters card and it's damaged, the surface don't wipe, it don't clean, you don't have a voters card. A voters card, an authentic voters card, is you having the card in your ward, your polling unit, your local government, the states you currently reside. That on election day, you will use that card to go and vote. Not you having a voters card in Abuja, but you're in Lagos State. It is wrong. You don't have a voters card. Something happen, oh, your voters card lost, and you get them before. No be property. You don't get voters card. Brothers and sisters in the Lord, go and collect your PVC. I think we have 10 days left. This is not rush hour. I made a video some time ago saying Nigerians like rush hour. You go see INEC office go choke now. You go choke because everybody want to voters card at the same time. If you like jackpa, because me too, I go jackpa. But when you jackpa finish, you will still come back. Home is home. Maybe they don't pursue now for South Africa. Home is home. God forbid though. If Canada say they won't start the pursue now, home is home. UK say they want the pursue now, home is home. So if you do not fix this country, when you come back, you go meet them the same way where you come on liver. In fact, you go meet them worse. I will not scream this again. If you don't have your voters card, if you don't have an authentic voters card, you cannot vote. Please, go to CVR.INECNigeria.org. Go there and look for anything that concerns you. If you want new card, go to new registration. If you want transfer, go to transfer. You will see it there. If your card lost or is spoiled, go to lost or damaged. You will see it there. Please, now beg with a beg. Nigerians, go and collect it. Go and collect it.